IFOR's OCTOPUS is an environmentally sustainable air conditioning and controlled mechanical ventilation system suitable for operation with a heat pump. The concept of environmental sustainability can be applied to various fields, and each of us can do our bit to help preserve the environment in our own small way. OCTOPUS makes it possible to heat, cool and recycle air while recovering energy. With IFOR's OCTOPUS system, your home will be healthier. This is thanks to the controlled mechanical ventilation system, which draws in indoor air from rooms where odours are usually generated, such as the bathroom and kitchen, and injects new, filtered air to replace the stale air. While it's running, a heat recovery unit installed inside the controlled mechanical ventilation system recovers up to 90% of the energy expelled with the stale air, avoiding unnecessary waste and reducing costs. The air exchange is automatic and constant and is managed directly by the unit, which draws in and filters air from outside at the same time, injecting it into the home. In this process, the air passes through the recovery unit and takes on the heat or cold recovered from the expelled stale air, depending on whether it is in heating or air conditioning mode, and reintroduces it into the domestic environment. OCTOPUS works constantly, day and night, to autonomously manage the air exchange, introducing fresh air into all rooms, thus helping to prevent mold and eliminating excess humidity thanks to the constant exchange of air. To achieve your dream home, you need patience and perseverance in searching for the details that make the difference. Meticulous research on materials and installations, careful planning, and competent professionals. The perceived quality of the fresh, healthy, oxygen-rich air in the environment was immediately appreciated by the owners and guests of this home. Once again, OCTOPUS has contributed to creating a high-quality home by putting indoor air quality at the forefront. The OCTOPUS system from IFOR, heating, air conditioning and air exchange with energy recovery, all in one product.